Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit from the Leibovit VR newsletters, and this is a Leibovit VR tutorial here on Metastock. As a reminder, we do have several Leibovit VR newsletter products. The Silver Platinum newsletters are Leibovit VR Gold letter, my annual forecast model, the new Vice letter, and our book, The Trader's Book of Volume. Here at Metastock, we do have the Volume Reversal Toolkit. I believe a free sample is offered, so if you haven't signed up, I would give it a shot. It's been the main indicator that I've used for about 35 years and is the key to many of my successful trades, and I think it's one of the more powerful tools out there. Definitely something you want to have on your screen when you're doing your trading. We're going to look at two situations this morning. Let's look at first Starbucks. Big positive volume reversal last week, met our criteria ahead of the big move, which came on that positive news. We had a positive VR formed on the 20th. It met our criteria of a 533 stochastic rising, and there's been a good correlation with the VRs here on Starbucks. As you can see, if you scan the screen, you can see there was a play after a negative VR a few days prior, a nice trade for a day following a positive VR, and so forth, looking over the time frame. But the big call last week, of course, if you were long, even if you took a trade in 2 days, you still did okay. But if you hung around another day, you got this nice little profit here. Now we're also going to look at Tiffany this morning. Tiffany was just the opposite situation, where a Leibovit VR warned you of something that was coming to the downside. So here you've got a situation where a negative VR was formed actually early. We got one back on January 2nd, and there was a nice trade for a couple of days, but a second one came in on the 9th, literally 1 day before the big break on the negative news report. And in both instances, you had a declining 533 stochastic, which would have confirmed that the VR, at least on a momentum basis, was a good play. So between the Tiffany and the Starbucks folks, you got good reasons why the VR has really paid off for here, and something you should really be taking a look at. So again, it's Mark Leibovit at vrtrader.com checking in. We'll catch you on the next update, and don't hesitate to sign up for the Mark Leibovit Volume Reversal Toolkit at your earliest convenience. Thanks again.